Lovely, it's me, Pepe McLaughlin. That's right, we're keeping up with the Lilith Fair, and we got our next performer up right now, Anvil, Lavigne. I'm with you and shit. I like to be with her. Big old tits, nice ass. And Anvil, Lavigne.
Yeah, take me on a hum. I'm the way to hum. I'm with you. I'm with you. See where the skater toss. Get to see you later, town. City was good enough for you.
Oh, Avril Lavigne, she still got it, man. I want to put it in it too, man. She was kind of complicated. I think I could bring her home and they'd be like, oh, she's not Catholic and shit. But then I put it right in her butt and give her a few niños because it always slides through. You know, you could kiss a girl, be a Mexican, she get pregnant. You know. Anyway, up next we got Nelly Furtado.